glass like that.
Oh, it's fancy. Look, it's different.
Oh, so you got the little bit fancy one now?
Yeah, I got the deluxe.
Oh, deluxe?
Which is the next one up.
Oh, I see.
And then it's like something else.
Okay.
But I think I can
Deluxe. Woohoo. Smells good.
Yeah, it does.
But this thing will do good. So how much more?
It's $8.99. This one.
$8.99?
Yeah.
The other one was $6.99?
Yeah. $2.
No.
Everything's $2 more.
Oh.
I just like the brushes because they'll get stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I think the strong water will get that too.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That's a strong water.
I thought I paid for the deluxe.
Is that it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, so it's amazing now.
They just gave me a little bit longer soap.
Oh, okay.
Or it's decent. Excuse me. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Like really hard rain.
It smells good,
I know.
right?
I wonder why.
I don't know. Let's see. Let's clean up your stuff. And it's gonna dry, right? Still rinsing?
If I do this, I'll like scrub. Nice. It's giving me the extra rinse. Better. $8? $9 actually.
Oh yeah, it's gone, the thing. The spot, I think.
Yeah. But I also did the thing with my windshield.
Oh yeah. Where that coming from?
Maybe it'll give us a stronger dry off. Hopefully. Is that open? Is that why it smells so good?
I don't know.
I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want it to open more. What the heck was that?
What's that?
Rude.
It won't come back home.
It might.
It shouldn't be open. No, I don't think it would. But it dropped something.
But like there's this thing where it like opens a little bit. But I don't think they did it.
Huh.
It's like we're taking off in an airplane.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Now we
I hate how it doesn't dry
close.
that at all. My windows. It doesn't dry my windows at all.
Oh, it didn't, huh? It's the side. Oh. And this is the important part.
Literally. Drive
What?
forward.